Have you been arrested for driving under the influence in Los Angeles County? Is your case out of the Downey Courthouse on 7500 East Imperial Highway? If you don't know, nobody's blaming you. You've probably had a pretty long night, or you're maybe now just getting around to doing some research on exactly what it is you're supposed to be doing. Just take a look at the bottom of the citation the police officer gave you for your court date, time, and courthouse location. Hi, my name is Damian Shivek. I'm a criminal defense and DUI defense attorney here in Los Angeles, California. If you've come across this video and doing your own research for your DUI case, or you're looking for an excellent attorney to represent you in the Downey Courthouse, you've come to the right place. I can appreciate that you're likely overwhelmed and pretty stressed out. Nobody is ever prepared to get a DUI, from being pulled over, to being arrested, to spending time in jail. Your current mood is completely normal. So I'm going to cover some basics here, and at the end of this video, if you have any additional questions, and you will, I encourage you to reach out to us for a free consultation. Now, did you know that being arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence triggers two separate cases? The first case is your criminal case. The criminal case deals with the issue of whether or not you're guilty of driving under the influence. The other case is the DMV hearing, and it deals with the singular issue of whether or not the Department of Motor Vehicles should suspend your driving privilege. Now, the DMV hearing has a very specific 10-day deadline. Failure to request the DMV hearing within that 10-day deadline will result in the automatic suspension of your driving privilege 30 days from the date of your arrest. Preventing that automatic driver's license suspension is something I can absolutely help you with. Also, in my experience, there's a huge misconception that all DUI cases are handled exactly the same across all courthouses in California. While the same DUI laws govern the entire state of California, the same circumstances in your particular DUI case can be handled very differently from county to county, but even between courthouse to courthouse within a county, because every courthouse, city attorney's office, district attorney's office, and judges have their own internal policies and procedures for how they handle DUI cases. Ultimately, what this means is that the possible outcome of your same DUI case can vary greatly, depending which courthouse it's in. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. These and many other questions and considerations will come up because DUI cases are inherently complex, and the penalties can be severe, expensive, very inconvenient, long-lasting, and sadly, potentially career-threatening. Which is why it's extremely important to hire an attorney that has experience in the specific courthouse where your criminal case is located. I've practically handled every type of DUI case across Southern California, including countless DUIs in the Downey Courthouse. In closing, DUI cases are far from hopeless. There's almost always something that can be done with these types of cases, but it's not going to happen unless we fight for it, which is why you should give us a call for a free consultation to discuss your case and how we can be of service.